Hello friends, our today's topic is how to remove blank rows or columns in Excel. So I'm going to show you that how to remove blank rows and columns in the Excel. So you might, if you are using the ERP system like SAP or Oracle, so you might have faced the issue like when you extract the data from the system, you will get the Excel file with the so many blank rows or the columns. So if we go manually deleting one by one, then it will consume more time. So I'm going to show you that quickly how we can remove all the blank rows and columns immediately within a few seconds, so that it will save our time. So let's start practice. It's me, Hiren Shukla, your Excel friend, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Shiren Excel Friend. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and press bell icon to get updates for my new videos. So our today's topic is how to remove blank rows and columns in Excel. So first I'm going to show how to remove blank rows. So for that, the easy and the best way is you need to select the data first. For that, if you would like to remove the rows, so I suggest you select the column. And when you would like to remove the columns, I suggest you should first select the rows. So either you can, if the column, because this is the only the sample data, so I selected the small data. So you can select the columns, first column, and then the shortcut Control Shift and the right arrow. With that you can select the entire columns, and then go to the find and select the go to special and select the blank one and press OK. So now you can see that all the rows, blank rows are selected now, and you can go to any one of the cell and then press right click and delete, and in delete you need to select the entire row and press OK. So now you can see that all the blank rows has been removed, right? So similarly, for the columns, you can select the data first. So I'm selecting Control Shift and down arrow for selection of the rows, or else I can also choose the columns, because the column is very low compared to the row. But you can choose any one of the which you would like to select, and then similarly find and select, go to special and select the blank, press OK. So now you can see the columns are selected. Here in the top you can able to find it. So go to any one of the cell and press right click and delete, and now you need to select the entire column. But please make sure that if the data is like in one of the row data is blank and in one of the column data is available, then there is your important data may lost. But you need to ensure that every blank columns has no data, or maybe every row has no any data which interact each other, and your important data may lost. So that you need to ensure first. So it will be that is my only the suggestion. So enter column and then press OK, right? So you can see that also the columns has been blank column has been removed now. So I hope if you like and feel this video is really helpful, keep me motivated by like, share, comment and subscribe. Keep watching, keep learning, and stay connected with me for more videos and learning. Be happy and make your family happy. Thank you.